back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make an easy super ultimate Nerf gun. This will be the materials that you will need. First, this kind of gun, I don't remember this name, telescope, a medium little gun, 2 dollar patches, and this thing. It holds the bullets to make 2 packs. But if you want to make it easier, if you don't have this, just put it over here. And now we're gonna get started. I remember my dad's YouTube password is Papa Chicken Toy, or you can call him Antonio Padre. Okay, now first of all, you're gonna build this gun up. Okay, alright. And then the second part, you're gonna stick this to the other little package. I don't know how to say that, dart or something. Then over here, now you put it in your sheet. Then for a second, I barely need this. And see, you can't just stick stuff in front of here, but you can make it backwards and put it into another guns. My dad is telling me to. Alright, so over here, you can put the gun in front of this telescope. Then you need to put it on the back because it's going to be easier. It's not going to fall off, guys. I tested last time and it's okay. Now put this thing. Alright, it's looking super cool. And for the final touch, I like lace up. And it goes here. Then now, let's test this. Let's see. My boss so rotating. It looks like I'm drowning or something. Alright. Point over here. Point there, Dad. And go. Ooh. Oh, ran out of bullets. Let's put it by this side. Alright. Let's make it go. Oh. Now let's take this thing off. And let's put this in. Alright. Put this bullet back here. Let's take this thing off. Now that we're ready to spin it, let's take it off. Oh, it's not complete. What is wrong with it? Wait, guys, I'm gonna do this fast. Alright, now. Now what? It's okay. Now let's just test out this. Because we tested out the last bullet package. Alright, I put it the wrong way. Let's put it. Alright. Oh, it's not going. Hold still. I know you should do this, guy, in another way because it's a hard way. Boom. Headshot. And now I just want to tell you something. Now that we're finished with this video, really good stuff. I know that first we didn't take this up. We had problems. There's a bunch of bullets over here. I just want to tell you that I have made a lot of Talking Tom videos. Just that if you haven't watched one, there's a lot that are just saying Talking Tom because accidentally my dad didn't put the name that I wanted last time. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're using your iPad, go to the comment side, write a comment, and see if you can tell me something about how to make a real ultimate Nerf gun. But if you're on the computer, go in the comments below and just write. So see you later, guys. Bye-bye.